Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
A cup? What's in there? Kool-Aid?
Well, no. What this is, it's a cup
Or
of...
maybe it's Mountain Dew.
Well, no, it's not Mountain Dew. What this is...
Or maybe it's a mermaid slushie.
No, it's a mermaid slushie.
Yeah, they're delicious.
It's actually just 7-Up.
Oh, that's still pretty good.
Oh, brother. Hey kids, Pastor Robbie here, along with today's special co-host, Ethan.
Hello.
And today, we're going to have some fun learning about your inside voice.
My inside voice? Oh, I know a lot about that.
Well, usually we think of our inside voice as speaking quietly inside a building instead of yelling like we would outside.
Right.
But we're actually talking about something different today. Remember earlier when you didn't know what was inside my cup?
Yeah.
Well, a lot of cups look beautiful on the outside, even though we don't know what's on the inside of them. For example, here are some of my favorite coffee mugs, like my Cardinal mug,
Well, that's cool.
or my Fiji mug.
It's got a kiwi on it.
It does. Or maybe you might like my fancy Man Camp mug.
What does that have to do with the Bible?
Well, let's take a look at today's verse that comes from Matthew 23:28, where Jesus said to the Pharisees,
Wait, what's a Pharisee?
Oh, well, a Pharisee was a member of a group back in Bible times that was very strict about obeying the law and trying to look good in front of everybody else.
Interesting.
So in Matthew 23:28, Jesus was not happy with them. And he said to them, "On the outside you appear to people as righteous, but on the inside you're full of hypocrisy and wickedness."
Hypocrisy and wickedness?
Otherwise known as evil.
Oh.
Just like our cups, they may look good on the outside, but what if this one was filled with vinegar and I had you drink it?
Yuck, I'd try to spit it out.
Or maybe this one is filled with pickle juice.
Pickle juice?
Or how about if we filled this one up with cod liver oil?
That sounds awful.
And see, we can have awful stuff inside of us, but as long as we look good on the outside, how would anyone ever know?
They could taste us.
Yeah, they could, or they could bump us.
Bump us.
Yeah, do you know what happens when someone bumps you while you're holding a cup filled with liquid?
It spills.
Exactly. What's on the inside comes out.
Busted.
Busted is right. We can't hide our insides forever. In life, we're going to get bumped. Things aren't always going to go our way. And that's when our inside voice tends to come out. Our inside voice is what we tell ourselves on the inside, and it impacts how we react. If our inside voice is speaking words of peace and kindness and patience, that's what's going to come out of us if we're bumped. Or if we listen to an inside voice that's filled with anger and greed and selfishness, that's what's going to come out as well. And trust me, Jesus is way more concerned about what's happening inside of us than he is on how we look on the outside. Another good verse comes from Luke 6:45, where it says, "A good man brings good things out of the good stored up in his heart, and an evil man brings evil things out of the evil stored up in his heart. For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of."
The mouth speaks what the heart is full of.
Well, yeah. Let me demonstrate this for you with a little object lesson I like to call Bubble Trouble. And all we're going to need is a couple of plastic bottles, 2 rubber bands, 2 old cotton cloths, some food coloring, a cup of water, a half a cup of dish soap, a bowl, and a spoon. And what we're going to do is cut bottoms off our plastic bottles. Then we'll wrap our cloths around each bottle and attach them with our rubber bands. Then we'll take our bowl and mix a half a cup of water with a quarter cup of dish soap and stir with the spoon. Then we'll cover our cloth with food coloring, one with a pretty green like this, and the other with several colors until it's black like this. Then we'll dip the first bottle into our bowl and let it drain off to the side like this. And our verse says that the mouth will speak what the heart is full of. So if our hearts are full of things like love, peace, and patience, our mouths will speak of things like this.
Cool, that's beautiful.
But if our hearts are full of wickedness and hypocrisy,
Evil?
right, evil, then out of our mouths will come something like this.
Whoa, I like the green one better.
Me too.
And how do we fill our hearts with the good stuff?
Well, by reading our Bible.
I should have known.
Taking care of our inside voice is a beautiful thing. So, Ethan, what did you learn today?
I learned that how we look on the outside isn't nearly as important as how we are on the inside.
Exactly.
And our mouth speaks what the heart is full of, so it's best to fill our hearts with the truth found in the Bible.
Very good.
Now, I was just thinking about another little object lesson I like to call double bubble trouble.
Double bubble trouble.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Close my eyes. I don't think I like the way this is heading, but all right, I'm closing my eyes. What do you got up your sleeve?
Open your eyes.
Open my eyes. All right, my eyes are. Where'd you go? Ethan, what the? Where did you? We'll see you around.